Wuxi BeiYi Excavator Parts Factory is located in Wuxi famous industrial town, Luoshe Town. Our factory was founded in the year of 2011, engaged in developing, producing, and selling engineering machinery and oil cylinder accessories. Our main products are hydraulic pile breaker, hydraulic shears, H-beam pile drawing machine, hydraulic earth drill, tree spade, mini crawler loader, and excavator spare parts. We have 6,000 square meters workshop and several sets of CNC machines. We also have our own research and development team, which is composed by the engineers over 15 years of experience in this industry. Our R&D team can independently research and develop for your custom-made products. We also have a strong and professional sales team. Our products have been covered throughout the domestic market, and we set up distribution agencies in all major cities. Since 2003, we exported our products to all over the world, like Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Philippines, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Oman, Australia, India, Russia, America, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, etc., and get good reputation from our customers. Our products own several patent certificates, CE certificate, and successfully passed ISO 9001 quality system certification in 2014. We produce and manage strictly according to the modern management system. BeiYi Machinery will keep growing and try to become the leading factory in our industry. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory.